Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have for you an amazing deal on this Deluxe Emergency USA Roadside kit. This is one of the most complete kits I've ever seen. All this stuff fits in this bag. And God forbid you have an emergency, there's probably something in here that's going to get you through it. It's got all the car essentials like jumper cables, an emergency hammer with a seatbelt cutter, a tow rope, and then for visibility, you get this safety vest, a couple of glow sticks, and I love this reflective triangle. It's so easy to put together, and it's going to allow approaching cars to see you. Now, this is an essential kit to have in any car, SUV, or even RV, but there's so many items that you can use every day, like this multi-tool with a case. And what I really love is this flashlight. It's a hand crank flashlight, so you never need a battery and it's always going to work. It also comes with the Emergency USA First Aid Kit. You get all kinds of important items like an emergency blanket, various bandages, scissors, even alcohol wipes, and it all fits in this nice case. So this case is in your kit, but you can take it out and keep it in your glove box. All of this fits in this really nice case with dual handles and a reflective strip. It's going to keep all these items organized and accessible. Now, we negotiated an insanely low price just for you. How did we do it? Well, the heat packs that are included have expired. Now, we tried them out and they still work, but we did want to forewarn you on these. Now, our price, I told you, is low. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So buy one for your car, buy one for your kid's car, buy as many as you can because these won't last long. Head on over to Pulse TV and grab a few today.